A beautiful artificial jasmine flower gajra, a set of 2 oxidized silver plated circular bangles. Adding this exquisite bangle set to your accessory collection will flaunt your distinct style statement. Love the owl shaped stone studded ring and pair it with this extremely beautiful chandbali. And lastly, a statement nut which will definitely add an extra dimension to your look. I have chosen a light green with pink border net saree for this year Haryali Teej look. It has beautiful white and silver bead work with stone. Saree is little heavy for stones. Its embroidery work is pure handwork. This is formulated with vitamin E and coconut oil that helps to shed away dryness and give smooth, supple and moisturized lips. It will help to give a better result for lip color application later. I am already a Revlon cosmetics lover and I am just loving this product. Please remember to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get all notifications. As matte look is not in trend, to give a dewy look, I am mixing a little Elegant Pro Conceal HD highlighter with this matte foundation. Because of the highlighter I have mixed, first we have to tap lightly with finger all over the face. Then blend it with a damp beauty blender. I am applying concealer over orange corrector because the mark or dark circles are not so dark, so I am converting it to peach corrector. One mark is still visible, so I am reapplying. As this part is showing extra peachy, applying a little foundation over it. I use this Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick as contour. If the video is helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon with option all for all new notifications. Using shade number 14 from Revolution Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette, I will apply this light green on inner half part of the eyelid and light pink for the outer half part. For the pink shade, I am using shade number 7. blending the harsh border lines. Applying pink blush lightly. My makeup is complete. Now it's time to add those beautiful accessories. So hope you all like this simple yet trendy Teej look. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, give a thumbs up, leave a comment if you enjoyed the video. See you soon in my next video. Take care.